Hey guys, today I just got this awesome robot vacuum from OKP called the K5. Let's take a closer look. So this is the robot vacuum cleaner by OKP, and yeah, let's take a look inside the box. So it has instructions right on the front here, user manual. Here's the charging cord. Here is the device itself. It comes with 4 extra brushes and a cleaning brush. Also an extra filter. And this is the charging base that it sits on. So yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. The K5 has strong and powerful suction in order to pick up more pet hair, dust, dirt, and debris on all types of floorings, being suitable to use on tile, wood, carpet, and other types of flooring. And the 2 side brushes can quickly gather and sweep up large particles and dirt with ease. The dust box is equipped with a quality 3-layer filter system, which effectively removes dust, dirt, and other types of allergens. It has an advanced obstacle avoidance function and a set of infrared sensors, so it can perfectly identify and avoid walls, stairs, and other obstacles, and can easily move across door thresholds or carpets. It can last up to 120 minutes on a charge as well, and it will automatically return to its charging dock when it's running low, minimizing the need for frequent recharging. It's able to fit underneath furniture and can deal with small height changes and corners with ease, as it goes around the entire house. So it's perfect for getting to those hard to reach areas. It can easily be switched between different modes through the downloadable app as well, between auto, spot, edge, and zigzag cleaning, in order to meet all of your various cleaning needs, as well as set up a daily cleaning schedule that allows the K5 to adjust to your home and deliver a daily clean. Also, you can use the OKP app to find a ton more features like customizing which rooms to clean, the level of the suction power, alerts to find your robot, adding other devices, and much more. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Home Assistants, so you can get your cleaning done with just your voice, like this. To add voice assistance, go under your profile and click on the option. There, you can connect your voice account with the included password. There's also tutorials right there on the page if you are having any problems. So yeah, if you are looking for an easy-to-use robot vacuum, definitely check out the OKP K5. See you.